Let's take a look outside. Oh, mercy. Whoa. I don't know if you can see it that way or... Whoa. Don't look like I'm going anywhere. No, 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 no. Whoa. And they said we're supposed to get up to 10 more inches today. I don't think so, though. That's too much. Oh, okay. But there you are. Huh. All right.